Next, two different containers contain 2x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 3 and 4x cube minus 2x square plus 6x minus 3. This much volume. Units are not given, so not required. Let it be meter cube, whatever it is, meter, liter, whatever. Okay. Question is, what is the biggest measure that can measure both the quantities exactly? Means what? You have to find one unit or one basically unit which will divide each one of them. So divide means what? Basically you have to find HCF. HCF or GCD. Somebody calls it GCD, somebody calls it HCF. Okay. So how to find GCD or HCF means one common factor, highest common factor, right? So find it. 2x cube, first let's solve. 2x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 3. Solve it. 2x square is common, so it becomes x plus 1. Other side also x plus 1, so it remains 2x square plus 3 into x plus 1. Okay. Done for this. Second. 4x cube minus 2x square plus 6x minus 3. So again 2x square common, 2x minus 1 and here plus 3 remains, right, for this. So 2x square plus 3 into 2x minus 1. Okay. Now you can clearly see what is the HCF. 2x square plus 3 is the HCF because that's what only divides both of these. So HCF is 2x square plus 3. So what does it mean? What is the biggest measure? The biggest measure is 2x square plus 3, whether it's liters, meters or whatever it is. Okay. Next, Raga had rupees